So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone left side AirPods not working after iOS update. If you're also facing any kind of issue about your AirPods, keep watching full video. Okay, there are some method to fix that issue. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue on your AirPods. If you have any hardware issue in your AirPods, just contact the nearest Apple store. So let's start video and check how it's fixed. Firstly, move to the solution one. Solution one is open iPhone setting. Okay, you can see appears on screen. It's connected with that AirPods. Just turn off, and then turn it on again and reconnect your AirPods with that iPhone. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is close all settings and close also your AirPods, and then tap on setting app, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, and reset all setting, and done that. After done that, you need to reconnect your AirPods to the iPhone. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then full charge your AirPods and then reconnect your AirPods with the iPhone. So friends, by doing that simple step, you can easily fix that AirPods left side not working after update. Hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your AirPods. If you have any hardware issue, just contact the nearest Apple store. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.